I have just uploaded 2 videos on my channel. And one of them is ranking in the top 10 videos on YouTube. And soon this video will also rank in the top 10.
Oh my God! Wow.
So how I made this possible on the new channel? There is no rocket science to optimize and rank your videos. It doesn't matter that you have created a new YouTube channel or you have been working on YouTube for last 3 years. There are too many settings that any new creator would be confused, but these settings are same for everyone. Do you know there are some settings that you can use to increase your views 5 to 20% on your channel without doing anything? But also if you miss some important settings, you're going to give permissions to copy your content and your copyright strike is considered as invalid. So don't skip the video to solve this problem forever. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more upcoming updates. If you have a question, leave a comment. Before I show you how to get 2x more views, you have to understand the first step, help YouTube algorithm to find your video. Because when you upload a new video and thumbnail, YouTube will save your data on a server with a unique title. So whenever you upload a new video, rename video and thumbnail with the same title you're going to add on YouTube, and also add the same title in your video description as I have added. Now add highly searchable tags relevant to your video. How to find these tags? Just open YouTube and enter your video title. For example, I am going to upload a video on Minecraft. Here you will see the most searchable keywords on YouTube. Another way is that simply add TubeBuddy or vidIQ extension. Open any video and here you will find tags added by other creators, and the bonus is you can also find their ranking tags. Just copy them and paste here. Now again copy all these tags and simply paste in your video description. These keywords will help YouTube algorithm to find and rank your videos on YouTube. Step number 2 is never forget to add your social media link, because if your YouTube channel is hacked by someone, you will just lose your channel, not your audience, and you can regain your audience when you create a new channel. Just go to customization. Click on basic info and click add the link. Enter link title like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter and paste your link here and click publish. If your videos contain paid promotion or sponsorship, check this box. By selecting this box, you confirm that the paid promotion follows YouTube ad policies and any applicable laws and regulations. Now select no, this video is not made for kids. YouTube considers children under the age of 13 years, and YouTube show limited ads on these types of videos. Limited ads means you will earn limited money from YouTube. And an age restriction, this option is selected as a default, but if your videos contain nude content or any other type of content which is not made for kids, please select the first option, because if YouTube detects your video as a restricted video, maybe you will face community guideline strike. I will create a complete video on copyright strike and copyright claim, so stay in touch. In the bottom, you will see license type. By default, standard YouTube license is selected. By selecting Creative Commons, you're going to give permission to reuse your content, but you will retain your copyright. In the short sampling section, by default this box is checked. It means you are allowing people to create YouTube shorts using your audio and video. But an indirect way, if their shorts goes viral, they are promoting your channel too. It's up to you whether you allow it or not. But how can I get 2x views? So don't forget to add end screen videos and also mention relevant video links in the description. I would highly recommend you to create a playlist of your videos. It will help you to gain more views using the same video. And for now, just select unlisted, and after 1 hour set your video as public. I will explain the visibility page in detail in the next video, because the wrong selection will make a bad impression on your videos. So these are the most important settings that you must follow in every video. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.